All right, we have this HP and power button, and nothing happens. Let's look at the reason why this job is here. So, water damage CPU. Technician tried some fix. Oh, it's not going to be fun, is it? All right, we're not going to spend too much time on this. The technician already had a look. Let's make our final decision. That's interesting. HP has used these tiny Phillips screws. Quick inspection. Oh, onboard video GPU. Oh, there's major damage there. It's a big cleanup has been performed. Okay. Which makes the job not worth looking at it at all. Battery is disconnected. Speaker. Two, one. They're fine. 177. 7. Pin number 1 is fine. 2, 1. PL. And this area has some severe damage, so I don't think we can do much there. Yeah, we can see all these burn damages. Yeah. Yeah, it's already been cleaned and whatnot. I don't want to touch this job. We'll quote them for a new motherboard, and that will be it. Yeah. Okay. No, we're not going to work anymore on this. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.